In today's video, I'm going to show you how to renew your California ID online. First, in your Google search bar, simply type in these words, Renew California ID, until you see this link from California DMV's official website. Click on this link. Then next from this page, look for your ID card option and click on it. Here you can see more details about renewing your ID online and also your eligibility. To get started in renewing it online, click on the button. Next, look for the Renew section and click on the Renew DL or ID button. So here you can see a message that says before you begin, be prepared to log in to your DMV online account. And if you don't have one, you will be asked to create one. Also, you will be asked to pay a renewal fee. And lastly, make sure that you update your voter registration information if needed. And to get started, click on the Renew ID button. So here, all you have to do is proceed by logging into your DMV account. Now, once you're logged in, simply follow all the on-screen prompts like confirming your personal details like your name, address, and date of birth. And if you're eligible, you'll be able to renew completely online. But some people may need to update their photo or visit the DMV in person, but the site will tell you. Lastly, pay the renewal fee online using a card, and once submitted, you'll then get a confirmation and your new ID will be mailed to you, usually within a few weeks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!